Hello everyone, I am Ria from GDIS school. Today we discuss on topic child labor. Child labor is the practice of having children engage in an economic activity on part or full-time basis. The practice deprives children of their childhood and is harmful to their physical and mental development. Poverty, lack of good schools and growth of informal economy are considered as important causes of child labor in India. In India, children are forced to work illegally in multiple industries. However, agriculture is the largest sector that employs children to contribute to family income. Indian rural sectors employ 85% of children due to various social factors that fail to meet their lifestyle. As per a statement on Wikipedia, more than 217 million children across the world are working majorly full time. According to Census 2011, 10.1 million children in India are working as main or marginal workers. Problems faced by child laborers are physical injuries, physiological problems, less wages paid, torturing, malnutrition, growth deficiencies, pesticide poisoning, illicit activities. Causes of child labor: overpopulation, limited resources, and more mouths to feed. Children are employed in various forms of work. Illiteracy: illiterate parents do not realize need for a proper physical, emotional, and cognitive development of a child. Poverty: many a time poverty faces parents to send their children to hazardous jobs. Let us see the viscous circle of poverty and hazardous child labor. Some facts about child labor. According to Indian census of 1991, there are 11.28 million working children under the age of 14 years in India. Over 85% of this child labor in the country's rural areas working in agriculture activities such as farming, livestock rearing, forestry and fisheries. The world highest number of working children is India. ILO estimates that 218 million children were involved in child labor in 2004, of which 126 million were engaged in hazardous work. Child labor laws and initiatives. After its independence from colonial rule, India has passed a number of constitutional protections and laws on child labor. The Constitution of India in the Fundamental Rights and the Directive of State Policy prohibits child labor below the age of 14 years in any factory or mine engaged in any other hazardous employment. Article 24. The Constitution also envisioned that India shall by 1960 provide infrastructure and resources for free and compulsory education to all children of age 6 to 14 years under the Article 21A and Article 45. Next, according to this picture, the girl says, I make dresses, I will never wear this. It describes the poverty of children under the child labor. Next, in the words of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, children are like birds in a general garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, as they are future of nation and the citizens of tomorrow. Only through a right education can a better order of society can be built up. Conclusion. The problem of child labor continues to pose a challenge before the nation. Government has been taking various proactive measures to tackle this problem. However, considering the magnitude and extent of the problem, that is essentially a socio-economic problem extricately linked to poverty and illiteracy, it requires concerted efforts from all society to make dent in the problem. Thank you.